There it is.
The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a flash flood warning for central Niagara County until 8:45 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lockport, Youngstown, Fort Niagara State Park, Cambria Center, Ransomville, Rapids, Model City, and Gasport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.